morning, grade 1. So now we are continuing to solve question number 5 of our worksheet. Okay, in this worksheet, in this question number 5, it is asking us to color or shade half of each shape. And I previously said that a half of a shape means one of each equal 2 parts. So here I will just solve 2 of them and you have to solve the rest. Okay, now here the square, it is divided into 4 equal parts and we are going to shade only one out of each 2. So here's one of the upper 2 parts and another one from the lower 2 parts. That makes them 2 parts. So half of 4 is 2. Here I will shade this one, the pentagon. I will solve it. Now here, how many equal sides do we have? How many equal parts do we have? We have 2 equal parts. Now from each 2 I take 1, so I'll just color 1 here. So half of 2 is 1. Good job. So the rest of the shapes, you have to solve them. You have to color half of each shape. Now let's continue for question number 6. Find the half of each number by sharing into 2 equal groups. Here we have 10 circles and we have to share them into 2 equal groups. So we have to divide them into 2 equal groups. Now we are doing it this way. Start putting circles equally. 1 for here, 1 for here, 1 for here, 1 for here. We already shared 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we are going to count the circles in each side. In the first side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already shared them equally. So we divided 10 into 2 equal parts, and each part is called 1/2 because it is divided into 2 equal parts. So half of 10 is 5. I'll solve the next one and you have to solve the other. You have to solve the others. Now here we have 8. We are starting to share 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many in each side? How many circles? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 circles in each side. So half of 8 is 4. Again, half 8 is 4. Complete the following: 12, 6, 18, and 25. Find the half of each number. Okay. Now, question number 7. I will solve it with you. Now, here we have to write the missing number. Remember the last question we solved on the activity book? Yes. Well, here it is the sentence and its inverse. Double of 2 is 4. I want just to remind you of the example that we had last time. It is double 1 is 2 and half 2 is 1. Here, double 2 is 4 and half 4 is 2. Good job, because we said already that doubling and halving are the opposite of each other. So part B, double of 4 is 8. So half of 8 is 4. Double of 10 is 20. So half of 10 is, double of 10 is 20. So half of 10, here it should be half of, okay, it's half of 20. It should be half of 20. I'm sorry, it's a mistake. So half of 20 is 10. Now double of 5 is 10. So half of 10 is 5. Double of 9 is 18. So half of 18 is 9. Double of 6 is 12. So half of 12 is 6. That's it for today. We solved the worksheet, and the question that we didn't solve here, question number 6, we didn't completed it, and question number 5. So you have to complete it and send it as an email. So see you next time. Bye guys.